Marina from Frocks Frolics, and I'm going to show you how to make my Dakota winter or autumn coat. It is actually from age 2 to 12, so you can make it teeny, appropriate, or really cute for your little one. For the lining, I've used a beautiful quilted fabric, and that will keep her nice and warm. The upper material is merino and cashmere mix, so very light, and it's going to be keeping her very warm. Or it did actually, she wore it all last winter. The hood, usually I would make in the upper material, but I ran out of fabric, and the same on the sleeves. So I just made the sleeves shorter and the lining longer instead of the other way around. This is how it would normally be, of course. And actually, to be honest, I think this is really nice. So that's absolutely an option. If you wanted to look a little bit different, you could do that. I'm also going to show you how to do this little corner. I think that's interesting for most of you. It's not attached to lining, so it hangs loose. And then we're going to do these super cute side pockets.